Hello Blasters, welcome back. In today's video, I'll take you back to the 15th century, to the age of exploration. After Christopher Columbus landed in the Americas, sailing for Spain, many Europeans believed he had reached Asia. But one man, one commander, is about to change everything. His name? Vasco da Gama, a nobleman, an explorer, and Portugal's answer to the race for riches. In 1497, King Manuel I gave him a mission to find a sea route to India. No one had done it. No one even knew if it was possible. But this wasn't a sudden voyage. Portugal had spent nearly 80 years searching for this route, sending ship after ship down the coast of Africa. It cost the lives of thousands of men, lost in storms, shipwrecks, and battles with the unknown. All for a dream, a path to the wealth of the East. 4 ships left Lisbon on July 8, 1497, with approximately 170 men. They sailed south along Africa's coast, rounded the deadly Cape of Good Hope, and entered uncharted waters. For 3 long months, they saw no land, just endless waves, harsh winds, and the fear of the unknown. His men began to lose hope, but da Gama held the course. Along the way, they faced hostile encounters, deadly diseases, and weeks of silence at sea. His crew suffered, but he pressed on. In May 1498, after nearly 10 months at sea, Vasco da Gama arrived in Calicut, India. This was no mistake. This was Asia, and finally, Portugal had reached it by sea. He met with the Zamorin of Calicut, but the encounter was far from friendly. The Zamorin was unsure whether he was a royal envoy from the Portuguese king or merely a merchant seeking trade. The voyage was not just dangerous, it was groundbreaking. Da Gama built on the knowledge of earlier explorers like Bartolomeo Dias and even recruited local pilots in East Africa who understood the monsoon winds. These seasonal winds were crucial. Without them, reaching India would have been nearly impossible. His success combined courage, preparation, and global navigation expertise from different cultures. He returned to Portugal a hero, bringing spices, silk, and something even more valuable, a trade route that would ignite a new era of global empires. But the price was high. Of the 170 men who had set sail, only about 54 or 55 survived the journey. His voyage reshaped the world. It marked the beginning of European colonialism in Asia and the rise of Portugal as a global power. Vasco da Gama didn't just sail into history, he rewrote it. He would return to India again, but that's another story. How do you think Vasco da Gama's voyage changed the world? Drop your comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.